Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make an Instagram account private in just a few steps. First, open your Instagram app on your mobile. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and look for Business Tools and Controls. Then tap on it. Now tap on Switch Account Type. Here you will see two options: Switch to Personal Account, Switch to Creator Account. Tap on Switch to Personal Account. A pop-up will appear. Read it manually. Then, tap on Switch to Personal Account again. Wait for a moment. And your account will switch to personal. Now, to make it private, scroll down and tap on Account Privacy. At the top, you will see the Private Account option. Just enable it. A pop-up will appear. Simply tap on Switch to Private. Now, your account is private. Let me go back to the main profile and show you. As you can see, a lock icon next to the username confirms that your account is now private. And that's it. How to make an Instagram account private. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.